everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the podcast where we make English fun, easy, and part of your real life. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve their English.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new episodes. Today we have a super useful topic, and it's perfect for beginners.
Today's topic is 5 morning routine techniques to improve your English. These are simple ideas you can use every morning, even if you are tired, lazy, or in a hurry. So no excuses.
We know mornings can be hard. Sometimes your alarm rings, you look at your phone, and you just think, no, I refuse. I live in my bed now.
That is me. But if you use just 1 or 2 of these English techniques every morning, you will improve step by step. Your vocabulary will grow, your pronunciation will get better, and English will feel more natural.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. A small habit every morning is much better than a big study session one time a month.
Exactly. So let's start with the first morning routine technique. Technique number 1, English first thing. Before you open social media, before you check messages, do one tiny thing in English. Only one. This is important because it tells your brain, English is part of my life. English is important.
And this tiny thing can be super simple. For example, when you wake up, you can say one English sentence about how you feel. Just one. You can say, I feel sleepy. I feel hungry. I feel great today. I feel stressed. Easy, right?
Or you can describe the weather in one short sentence. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's cold today. That's it. Less than 10 seconds. You can do this while you are still in your bed.
You can even make a mini routine. One sentence about you, one sentence about the weather. For example, I feel tired and it's cloudy, or I feel good and it's sunny. That's already 2 English sentences before you even stand up.
If you want a little challenge, you can add one more sentence. Your plan for the day. For example, today I have work. Today I have an exam. Today I want to relax. Today I'm going to the gym.
So in only 20 seconds, you can say 3 English sentences. One about you, one about the weather, one about your day. Like, I feel sleepy, it's cold, and today I have a long day at work. Great practice, super fast.
The goal here is not perfect grammar. The goal is to use English as fast as possible in your day to wake up your English brain. Even if your sentence is simple, it's still very good.
All right, let's go to technique number 2. Technique number 2, English mirror talk while you get ready. This one is a little funny, but it really helps. When you are in the bathroom looking in the mirror, you talk to yourself in English while you do your morning routine.
Yes, you can talk while you brush your hair, wash your face, or do your skincare. Just describe what you are doing in the present continuous, the I am, the teak form. For example, I am brushing my hair. I am washing my face. I am putting on cream. I am brushing my teeth.
And if the present continuous is hard for you, keep it super simple. You can also just say, brush teeth now, wash face now, hair then makeup. It's okay. The important thing is to use some English words.
But if you can, try the full I am sentences. They are great practice. I am getting ready for work. I am getting ready for class. I am getting ready for a long day.
You can also add small comments about your mood or thoughts. For example, I am brushing my teeth and I am still sleepy. Or I am doing my makeup and I feel excited for today.
If you are shy, remember, you are alone. No one can hear you. It's just you and your mirror. You can be dramatic if you want. I am brushing my hair like a movie star. It's okay. Have fun.
This mirror talk helps you in two ways. 1. You practice speaking English every morning. 2. You connect English with your real actions, not only with a book or an app.
And because you do this every day, the sentences become automatic. You don't need to think too much. Your mouth and your brain become friends.
Now let's talk about technique number 3.
Technique number 3, micro-listening during breakfast. Many people like to watch videos or listen to music while they eat breakfast. This is a great moment to add just 5 minutes of simple English listening.
The key word here is micro. Very small, not 1 hour, just 3 to 5 minutes. Even if you are very busy, you usually have 5 minutes while you drink your coffee or tea.
You can listen to a very short podcast, a simple English video, or a short story for beginners. Choose something at your level. You should understand maybe 70 or 80%, not 10%.
For example, you can listen to an episode of Pop Off English or a very short clip from an English learning channel. You can also save a playlist with easy English videos, and every morning you just click one.
While you listen, you don't need to take notes or pause the audio. Just listen and relax. Try to catch some words. Maybe you hear coffee, office, meeting, morning, weekend. Good, your ears are working.
If you hear one new word that you like, you can write it in your phone quickly. For example, alarm, deadline, routine, appointment, but this is optional. If you don't want to write, it's okay.
You can also listen to a short English song you like. Many pop songs have simple words. Try to focus on one phrase from the song. For example, in the song you hear, wake up in the morning. Perfect. That's a good phrase.
Micro-listening every day is better than a long listening session one time. Your brain gets regular, small contact with real English sounds. Over time, you understand more and more.
All right, time for technique number 4.
Technique number 4. Plan your day in English with 3 simple sentences. Many people make to-do lists in their first language. Today, we will make a mini to-do list in easy English.
After breakfast or on the way to work or school, think about your day and choose 3 important things you need to do. Then write 3 short sentences in English.
Keep the sentences simple. Use I have to, or I need to, or I want to. For example, I have to send an email. I need to study English. I want to call my friend.
Or you can write, I have a meeting at 10. I need to buy groceries. I want to sleep early. These are very real, very natural sentences for daily life.
You can write this in a small notebook, on a sticky note, or in your phone notes. You can also read the sentences aloud one time. For example, I have to finish my homework. I need to clean my room. I want to relax this evening.
With this, you are doing vocabulary practice, grammar practice, and also organizing your day. It's practical and good for your English at the same time.
If have to is difficult, you can just write very short lines without verbs. Email to boss. English homework. Call mom. Even that is a good start.
But if you feel okay, try the full sentence. I have to send an email to my boss. I have to do my English homework. I have to call my mom.
Also, at the end of the day, you can look at your 3 sentences and check what you did. You can even add one more sentence in the evening like, I finished everything, or I didn't finish, but it's okay.
That's like a bonus technique for the night, but we stay with the morning for now. Let's go to our last technique. Technique number 5, English on the move. Many people travel in the morning. Maybe you walk to the bus stop, you take the metro, you sit in a car, or you walk to school. This is a perfect time to use English.
You can do two different things here. Option A, passive English. Option B, active English. Let's explain.
Option A, passive. You listen to English while you move, but you don't speak. You can listen to a podcast, an audiobook, or a YouTube video with your headphones. Again, choose something easy.
You don't need to understand every word. Just try to recognize words you already know, and maybe notice one or two new words. It's okay if you miss a lot. Your brain is still learning the rhythm and music of English.
Option B, active. If you feel comfortable and the place is not too crowded, you can talk quietly to yourself in English. For example, you can describe what you see. You can say, I see a red car. I see a woman with a dog. I see a big building. The street is busy. The bus is late. Very simple sentences.
Or you can think about your feelings and plans. I am nervous about my test. I am excited for the weekend. I am hungry already. I am thinking about lunch.
The important thing with this technique is to connect English with the real world around you, not just with a book or a classroom. When you see things and say the English words, your memory gets stronger.
If you don't want to speak, you can also just think in English, quietly in your head. Try to make small English sentences in your mind about what you see or feel.
So these are our 5 simple morning routine techniques. Let's review them quickly.
Number 1, English first thing. Say 1 or 2 simple sentences in English when you wake up. For example, about how you feel and the weather.
Number 2, English mirror talk. Describe what you are doing in English while you get ready. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. Easy and useful.
Number 3, micro-listening during breakfast. Listen to 3 to 5 minutes of easy English audio, a podcast, a short video, or a simple song.
Number 4, plan your day in English with 3 sentences. I have to, I need to, or I want to. Use English to organize your day.
Number 5, English on the move. Use your travel time to listen in English or to describe what you see, out loud or in your head.
You don't need to do all 5 every day. Start with 1. When that feels easy, add another one. Maybe your perfect combination is number 1, number 3, and number 4.
The goal is to make English a normal, natural part of your morning, like brushing your teeth or drinking coffee, not something special or scary.
And remember, small steps every day are very powerful. If you do 5 to 10 minutes of English every morning, in 1 year, that is many, many hours of extra practice.
Before we finish, let's look at some useful vocabulary from today that you can use in your mornings.
Morning routine, the things you do every morning. Alarm, the sound that wakes you up. Sleepy, when you want to sleep more. Hungry, when you want to eat.
Cloudy, sunny, rainy, cold, words for the weather. Brush my teeth, wash my face, brush my hair. Common actions in the bathroom.
Breakfast, your first meal in the morning. Micro-listening, very small listening practice, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. To-do list, a list of things you need to do.
I have to, something that is necessary. I need to, something important you must do. I want to, something you desire, something you would like to do.
On the move, when you are traveling or walking somewhere. Busy street, late bus, long day, very natural small phrases you can use in daily life.
Try to use at least 3 of these words or phrases tomorrow morning. Even simple sentences are okay. For example, I am sleepy but I have to go to work. Or, it's sunny and I want to have a good day.
If you liked these techniques and you want more ideas to learn English in a fun way, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Your support helps us make more easy English podcasts for you. So hit that like button and share the love.
And we want to hear from you. Which morning technique do you want to try first? Or do you already have an English morning habit?
Tell us in the comments. We really read them, and your ideas can help other learners too.
Thanks for spending your morning with us and for practicing your English today.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English. Take care, have a great day, and keep your English popping.